In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the NordPass Password Manager. This tool is designed to simplify and secure your online experiences by managing all your passwords in one safe location. So let's walk through how to make it work for you. First, you'll want to start by visiting the NordPass website. Open your preferred browser and head over to their homepage. This is where your journey with NordPass begins, and it's the gateway to all its features designed specifically for password security. As you navigate this platform, you'll find it intuitive and user-friendly, aiming to make your password management as seamless as possible. Once you're on the home page, scroll through and explore their offerings. You'll notice options aimed at different needs. For the purpose of this video, let's focus on a couple of these key options. Begin by clicking on the Business tab. This section is particularly useful for businesses, offering tailored solutions for enterprises looking to secure their corporate data and manage employee access efficiently and securely. It's here you can dive into advanced security features that NordPass offers to protect business credentials and confidential information across your team. Next, move over to the Personal section. This area is designed for individual users and provides insights into how you can protect personal accounts with the same advanced features businesses enjoy. Whether you're securing your email, social media, or banking details, this section is vital for personal security. It provides easy-to-use tools to streamline your online security. Now spend some time exploring the Solutions page. This is where you'll get a deeper understanding of the different ways NordPass can cater to various needs, right from securing passwords to offering broader data protection strategies. It's a robust overview that helps you choose the best plan for your use case. As you navigate through, take note of the Making Password Security Simple feature. NordPass shines here by offering simplicity in securing complex passwords. This service ensures that even the most complicated of passwords are easily managed, without the hassle of remembering them all. Dive into the next-gen password manager with advanced security features. This highlights NordPass's commitment to using cutting-edge technology to safeguard your data. It's reassuring to know that behind the simple interface is a powerhouse of security protocols designed to keep your information safe. Consider the option to ditch passwords for passkeys. This feature is on the frontier of password technology, where you can use passkey technology to log into accounts, providing an extra layer of security and ease. Finally, take a moment to understand how NordPass protects data with end-to-end encryption. This means your data is encrypted and remains inaccessible to anyone outside of your trusted devices. This step is crucial in today's digital age, providing peace of mind knowing your information is wrapped in the highest standards of security. That's a walkthrough of using NordPass Password Manager. By following these steps, you're not just storing passwords, you're ensuring a secure and sleek digital experience, making your online interactions safer and more efficient. Happy securing with NordPass!